Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning moving company layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with all the layouts you need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the moving company layout pack. So this is the style that you can expect. There's a stunning color palette and high quality icons included as well, which you can use without any restrictions. They are for free, so you can use them whether you're building a moving company website or any other website. You can download these separately as well. And as you can see, the overall look and feel is very professional. It's also really clean, and it really matches the style that you would expect from small companies that are trying to set up a website. So this looks awesome. And if you want to create your own page using one of the layouts, you can do that really quickly by just going to your WordPress dashboard and over here clicking on Pages, Add New. And once you give your page a title, say for instance you want to upload the landing page that is included, simply click on Publish. Continue by enabling the Divi Builder and switch over to Visual Builder right away. So the first thing that you will see is that there are three options. You can build from scratch, choose pre-made layouts, or clone existing pages. And if you want to use one of the layouts that are included, you simply have to click on Browse Layouts over here. And what this will do, it will bring you to the pre-made layout. So you have all of the layout packs over here. You can combine different layouts from different layout packs if you want to. But if you're looking for the moving company layout pack, you simply have to scroll down, and over here you will see it's the most recent layout pack. And if you click on this, you will see all of the different layouts that are included. And if you want to take a look at these layouts without actually having to upload these to your page, you can simply click on the View Live Demo button over here. And what this will do is it will bring you to a live website where you can see all of the layouts that are included. You can scroll through them and see which one you really like and which one you will definitely use on your own website. And once you decide, for instance, to use the landing page, you simply go back and click on the landing page over here and click on the green button that says Use this layout. This will take a little time for it to upload to your page, and you can get started. You can change all of the content that is included, and you can just play around with the settings as well, just to make it match with the website that you had in mind. And you can make modifications using Divi's Visual Builder. So if you open a module, for instance, you will see all of the settings. You have different tabs over here, and you can go through all of these settings, or you can just enable the filter over here, which is called Modified Styles. And if you click on that, you will see all of the modifications that have been made to it already. And for instance, I'm going to change the title line height, and as you can see, there's a little difference over there. And I'm also going to increase the body text size just a little bit. And if you want to apply the changes to each one of the modules that you can see right here, you can simply right click on the module that you just modified and copy the module styles, and then simply go ahead and paste the module styles for each one of the modules that you can see over here. So this really saves you a lot of time. So you can do that for each one of the modules that are present on your page, or the sections or the rows. You can modify them easily and just increase your efficiency by using these shortcuts. And if you want to change a layout entirely, you can do that as well by just going back to your pre-made layouts. And to do that, you can simply click on the plus button over here, and you can scroll within your pre-made layouts and combine different layouts from different layout packs, or go back to the moving company layout pack and choose another layout instead. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog, newsletter, or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.